Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Here is today's kanji. It is read atara or shin in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means new. It has 13 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like shin. On its own, it is usually atara. A tree freshly cut by an axe. Wood that is brand new. Now let's write it. 13 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Atarashii, atarashii means new. Shinbun, shinbun means newspaper. And shinnen, shinnen means new year. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Oya read oya, parent. Mi read ki, tree. Notice the small differences. So that's shin, new. 13 strokes, read atara or shin. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.